In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move and reschedule events in Google Calendar using the schedule, agenda, view, and drag and drop. Let's start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, take a quick look at the sidebar on the left. Make sure the calendars you plan to move events from and the calendars you want to move them to are both visible and checked. Each calendar is color-coded, which will help you keep track of where each event lives as you make changes. If something looks missing, scroll the list or expand the sections in the sidebar so everything you need is in view. Next, switch to the schedule, also known as Agenda View. You'll find the view selector at the top of the screen where you can choose between day, week, month, and more. Pick Schedule. This view lays out your events in a clean list grouped by date, which makes it much easier to scan through busy weeks and quickly spot the items you want to move. It's especially handy when you're juggling multiple calendars at once, or when your days are packed and you need a straightforward list instead of a grid. Now, let's move events. Click an event to select it, then drag it to the new date or time you want. If you're in the schedule view, just pull it down or up the list until it lands on the correct day and time. If you prefer the week view, you can do the same thing directly on the time grid. As you drag, you'll see the slot highlight, so you know exactly where it will drop. Release the mouse, and the event updates instantly. You'll typically see a brief confirmation with an option to undo if you change your mind right away. If you need to move an event to a different calendar, make sure the destination calendar is visible in the sidebar. Then drag the event onto that calendar's name. When you drop it, the event's color will update to match the target calendar, confirming the move. This is a quick way to reorganize items between personal, work, or shared calendars without opening extra windows. A few tips as you go. All changes save automatically, so there's no separate save button. If you don't immediately see an update, refresh the page. For all-day events, drag them within the all-day row or list section. And if you accidentally move something, use the on-screen undo prompt to revert it. That's it. Clean, fast, and visual. With the